iknowlee. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all like that intro? It was kind of cute, huh? If you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join the family and continue to follow my journey throughout natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, and all that other jazz, you know? We are going to go through a style today that I've been posting on Instagram all of the time, and I get a DM literally just about every day of somebody asking me, how do I do this hairstyle? This hairstyle was inspired by a celebrity. Her name is like on the tip of my tongue, and I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna insert it, I promise you. When I mean super easy, I'm talking like 5 minutes or so. So I have the tools already ready. You are going to need a comb, a rat tail comb preferably, a brush, a hair tie scrunchie band, a clip or two, and some bobby pins. Oh, wait. And some edge control. I use Style Factor. You know what, thinking about it, for me to be saying like this hairstyle so easy, I'm pulling out a whole lot of tools to do a 5-minute hairstyle. But I'm telling you, it just makes the process ever so slightly faster. So this is a twist out. I've been working out on it so it gets frizzy very easily. So what I like to do instead of like retwisting my hair is just style it. That's it. Just keep it simple and style it. So the first things first is we're gonna do a side part. I normally part my hair on this side of my head. This part by no means has to be perfect. So I'm using one of these clips and I'm just going to apply it to one side of my head. My hair is thick, so I'm going to use 2 clips. And then with this edge control, I am going to apply it to this section primarily. You can put a little bit around all of your edges. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Put some of it where the part is and then on the edges of that area also. Like what I'll do is I'll put some on the other side of the part also, and then around the edges in the front. I'll take a brush and we're gonna only brush this side. Brush this back like you're brushing it into a ponytail, you know? So it ends up like this. This pretty much creates the base of the style to really hold this style and maintain the structure. I use bobby pins only on this section. Remove the clips and then we're gonna kind of work the edge control around the edges in. And then this is also a good opportunity to add baby hair, even though you can do that last. I mean, you know, if you're already brushing, why not? The style is pretty much done. Now you're gonna actually take this band and create like a side puff, but it's gonna be super loose, like super loose. Take a band. I usually get these from like a Urban Beauty Supply. They'll have them in a pack for like $1. You get like a pack of 4 or 5. Wrap it around. And when you get to the edge, you're mainly just gonna slide it to the side. See, the band stays here and you're sliding this to the side. Y'all see how the style coming together? Like, it's almost there. Almost. What I will do if I need to is I will take a bobby pin and like pin the band so that it stays in place. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. Today I'm not, because my hair is in like this full-blown afro and it's not like super soft and slippery, so it ain't moving. But if it was in one of those cases where maybe I had like a perm rod set or something, I would pin it. Once you get it in place, just fluff. I told y'all it was easy. I was sleeping on the style, but it's really easy. And the more you define this area, the more of like a swoop or a defined part. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you would rock, and did you think that that hairstyle was easy? So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you liked it. Please subscribe and I will see you babies in my next one. Bye.